Well, hello to my first video of my home. I'm not gonna give you, but this is my bed. It's very comfy. No more our bed. But the topic is today we're gonna observing wildlife in my home. In my hometown, specify my home. Well, not that one expensive archer, but we're gonna observing some wildlife today. At least there's something special, and all first creature has appeared. No, not the shark, not the buffalo, but this thing, a hybrid. It is a dog named Pulse. Well, we're not sure what genome is contained, but this is a dog. Yes, a dog to be specified, a hybrid of Thai Bengal and some kind of stray dog we found out. And look at this. This is his uncle, named Mapang, a large male with bulbous body, very fat and very aggressive. He approached his territory as our cause. But we have seen another of his grandson yet. Well, we have actually seen all of his grandson. And lying out there is Pips. Pips is a doesn't look like his brother like Pau, but Pip is very playful and very energetic. Sleep at this point. Hey Pips, wake up, bro have been to heaven. Oh beep beep, happy beep beep. สารคดีหยุดเผือกได้แล้ว Okay, and that thing is it's fly away. It's a sparrow, a species of bird that can be common found pretty much anywhere in the Southeast Asia, and it's fly away. And but that's not the most iconic thing we have in our house yet. Look at this one, a kind of fur ball or something. No, this thing is Gigi, the dog. Well, at first place, she looked like Shiba Inu. But no, she not Shiba Inu here. She a hybrid, totally contain genome of 4 different species of dogs. Her grandparent is uh, Thai Thai Saddleback, Bengal, Husky, and Golden Retriever mixed into one creature. Oh, and look at my. But we might. Surprisingly, a lot of reptiles. In Thai pack around hundreds and thousands of these reptiles crawling on my home at night and pretty much anywhere. And this one, it's sometimes different. It might be a newbie here. Uh, Surprisingly, geckos and most chromodots actually did appear from Earth in the Mesozoic. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but my friend says. Look at the plant life, banana, hometown. Oh, look at that. One of the most annoying thing out there in my home. A pigeon, the descendant of a dinosaur. I know, but well, even people don't like it. It's a quiet creature. And look, my whole little jungle and junkyard and sometimes I'm not sure about it. But we can see different species of birds here. And grass, yes, I do touch grass. So shut up now. The clear cloud sky. What could be worse? Oh, solar cell. Atmosphere. What can be better? But out there in the jungle of my backyard, you have chance to see giant reptiles called the Siamese monitor lizard. Actually called Asian water monitor. They are massive. My tongue. They're giant reptile that can be crawl and they are a semi-aquatic fish eater that also scavenging for meat for times. Yes, my grandma is very annoying, and she she my my document totally garbage documentary. What we're gonna see here? No. Hello. Uh, yeah, we're gonna see the giant monitor lizard. Some of them just end up in the roadkill, which very sad. Also, we can find different species, including the stork and many species of reptile like the cobra and the green viper. Yes, you can find green viper, and they were very dangerous, just like another viper. In fact, all viper dangerous, even the small one. They can inflict toxin that can kill you in few times. But a beautiful night. So that's all of my in real life glass touching tour today. My home are not that my home are very actually quite good. Two house, well, a lot of things happening here, but we can see that yes, that thing is drawn by elephant. Well, and that annoying camera that interrupt my life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this guy. Thank you.